Okay, what we have here is an inexpensive Chinese DIN timer, model AHC15A. Let's take a closer look at it and reset it. Okay, we're going to set the time. We're going to set a program on this. So we'll go program 1 every day of the week, as you can see, Monday to Sunday. And we're going to go 1 minute past midnight, and that'll turn it on. And then we'll go 2 minutes past midnight. That means it'll get turned off. Okay, so that's that program stored. So let's take a closer look now at the wiring. Okay, in this particular configuration, we've got the blue wire being neutral and the brown wire being live. And the other colour combination is red being live and black being neutral. So at terminal 2 we've got the blue wire, neutral wire, and it's running to terminal 3. And we've got terminal 4 where the blue neutral wire runs to the lamp. Okay, so there we've got it, the 1 minute past midnight, the program's kicked in, the lamp's obviously now on. What we might do is we might just point that lamp away and continue with the configuration. Okay, so the wiring configuration shows that we've got terminal 4, as I said, going to the lamp. Terminal 1, we've got the live wire, and the live wire runs all the way directly to the lamp. It doesn't connect anywhere to the bottom of this timer. Okay, I should point out that you're going to need a Sparky to install this. So this is just an instructional video.